Forex Chart Types. Do you want to become a successful Forex trader? Understanding different chart types is essential for analyzing market trends and making informed trading decisions. In this video, we'll explore the various types of Forex charts and how they can help you predict future price movements. Here goes. Forex charts' correct interpretation is a crucial success factor for all types of traders, from beginners to experienced pro traders. In today's video, we'll dive into the world of Forex chart types. Line charts. Line charts are the most basic and commonly used chart type. They display the closing prices of a currency pair over a specific time period. Line charts provide a simplified view of price movements, making it easier to identify overall trends and support or resistance levels. Bar charts, also known as open high-low close charts, provide more detailed information than line charts. Each bar represents a specific time period and displays the opening, high, low, and closing prices. Bar charts allow traders to analyze price volatility, spotting potential reversals and patterns. Candlestick charts. Candlestick charts originated in Japan and have gained widespread popularity in the Forex market. They provide a visual representation of price movements, similar to bar charts, but with added information. Candlestick charts display the opening, high, low, and closing prices in a format that resembles candlesticks. This format allows traders to quickly identify bullish and bearish patterns, such as doji, engulfing, and hammer formations. Time-based vs. tick-based charts. Apart from the traditional time-based charts, Forex traders can also use tick-based charts. Time-based charts display price movements based on a specific time interval, for example, 5 minutes, 1 hour, while tick-based charts show price changes after a set number of trades, for example, 100 ticks. Choosing the right chart type depends on your trading strategy and the level of detail you require. Combining multiple chart types. To gain a comprehensive view of the market, many traders combine different chart types. For example, using a line chart to identify long-term trends, a bar chart to analyze price volatility, and candlestick patterns to time their entries and exits. Experiment with different combinations to find the chart setup that works best for you. Now that you have a good understanding of Forex chart types, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Start exploring different chart types on your trading platform with IFC markets and see which ones resonate with your trading style. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep analyzing charts and honing your skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. And if you want to dive deeper into Forex trading, check out the link in the description for our comprehensive Forex trading course. Happy trading!